54% of Black Americans don't have enough savings to retire. Are you a woman who's preparing for retirement? Perhaps you're in a different financial situation. Have you recently ended a relationship that has changed your financial obligations? Maybe you're raising children or grandchildren or paying for college tuition. Are you, and this can be especially difficult, caring for aging parents? Life is just expensive, but we only have so many hours in the day and so much energy to expend to earn extra money. My name is Ansylla Ramsey, and since 2018, I have helped beginners get a better understanding of the possibilities that cryptocurrency and its underlying technology, blockchain, can afford individuals around the globe. I'm sure you've heard all kinds of things about cryptocurrency, some good, some not so good. But I'm here to assure you that I want to bring awareness, but also demystify some of the confusing and seemingly complicated information you may have heard. I'm affectionately called Crypto Auntie because, unlike many people you may encounter in the crypto space, I only educate. I do not recruit, nor do I promote projects to invest in. I want you to be properly prepared before you dive into the crypto space. When I ask people why haven't they perhaps considered crypto yet, do you know what's the number one answer? Fear. They simply say, I am afraid. What's the antidote for fear? Knowledge. So let's talk about cryptocurrency and blockchain and Web3 in a comfortable setting with other women who want to see you thrive. There's no obligation and no one will push you to invest your hard-earned money. Join me at State of the Woman in Atlanta, Georgia, January 26th and 27th to get fundamental understanding, get your questions answered, and be empowered with crypto clarity. I look forward to seeing you there.